Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Here I prepared another set of 25 questions from entrepreneurship development. Let's see one by one with correct answers. The first question, name the institution which was set up in 1982 to promote integrated rural development. The options are A. NSIC, B. NABARD, C. SIDBI, and D. NCEUS. The correct answer is B. NABARD. Next one is, name the institution which is set up as an apex bank to provide direct or indirect financial assistance under different scheme. The options are A. SIDBI, B. NSIC, C. RSBDC, and D. none of the above. The correct answer is A. SIDBI. And next question is, A, fill in the blank, is a specialized firm that finances young startup companies. Which specialized firm finances young and startup companies? The options are A. Venture capital firm, B. Finance company, C. Small business finance company, and D. Capital creation company. The correct answer is A. Venture capital firm. Next one is, which of the following is a characteristics of venture capital firms? A. Developing portfolio of companies, B. Allowing firm to use the funds as they see fit, C. Having a short-term investment horizon, and D. Holding debts in the firm that are funded. Here the question is the characteristics of venture capital firms. So the correct answer is A. Developing portfolio of companies. Next question is, which of the following is not a characteristic feature of venture capital firms? The options are A. Funding just one or a small number of firms, B. Holding equity in the firms that are funded, C. Having a long-term investment horizon, and D. Providing advice and assistance to the firms that are funded. Here the question is not a characteristic feature of venture capital firms. The correct answer is A. Funding just one or a small number of firms. The next one is, the oldest form of business organization is. You must be knowing this simple question. Options are A. Partnership, B. Sole proprietorship, C. Joint stock company, and D. Cooperative undertaking. The correct answer is B. Sole proprietorship. Next question, the resistance of employees in an organization against flexibility, growth, and diversification can be overcome by developing A. Entrepreneurship, B. Intrapreneurship, C. Managerial domain, D. Administrative domain. Within organization, the correct answer is B. Intrapreneurship. Next one is, having more than 50% ownership position that provides the entrepreneur with managerial control is called. Here in the question is 50% ownership position that provides the entrepreneur with managerial control is known as A. Joint venture, B. Majority interest, C. Horizontal merger, and D. Diversified activity merger. Here the correct answer is B. Majority interest. Next one, which industrial sector tends to naturally promote small scale businesses and entrepreneurship and generally has lower barriers to market entry? A. Service sector, B. Manufacturing sector, C. Distribution, and D. Agriculture. The correct answer is none other than A. Service sector. Next question, basic problems of women entrepreneurs in India is A. Lack of education skill, B. Male dominating society, C. Absence of listen bearing capacity, and D. All the above. The correct answer is D. All the above. These are the basic problems of women entrepreneurs in India. Next question, a new venture's business plan is important because it helps to persuade others to commit funding to the venture, B. Can help demonstrate the viability of the venture, C. Provides a guide for business activities by defining objectives, and D. All the above. A new venture's business plan is important because D. all the above. Next one, innovation can best be defined as, the options are A, the generation of new ideas, B, the evolution of new ideas, C, the opposite of creativity, and D, the successful exploitation of new ideas. Innovation can be best defined as, the correct answer is D, the successful exploitation of new ideas. Next one, which of the following is least likely to influence the timing of new business births? The options are A, government policies, B, profitability, C, consumer expenditure, and D, weather conditions. The question is, which of the following is least likely to influence the timing of new business births? The correct answer is D, weather conditions. Next one is, goods or services reach the marketplace through, the options are A, marketing channels, B, multi-level pyramids, C, monopolies, and D, multiplication. Goods or services reach the marketplace through A, marketing channels. Next one is, which of the following is a function of SIDBI? A, extension of seed capital, B, discounting of bills, C, providing factoring services, and D, all of the above. The correct answer is D, all of the above. Next, a commercial banker would prefer a fill in the blank debt equity ratio over the years as it indicates financial strength of a unit. A commercial banker prefer which one? The options are A, declining debt equity ratio, B, increasing debt equity ratio, C, stable debt equity ratio, and D, fluctuating debt equity ratio. The correct answer is A, declining debt equity ratio. Next is, fill in the blank is a form of financing especially for funding high technology, high risk, and perceived high reward projects. Options are A, fixed capital, B, current capital, C, seed capital, and D, venture capital. The correct answer is D, venture capital. Next one, fill in the blank is a problem solving technique designed to produce numerous ideas in a short period. The options are A, synectics, B, Delphi technique, C, brainstorming, and D, nominal group technique. Which one is a problem solving technique designed to produce numerous ideas in a short period? The correct answer is none other than C, brainstorming. Next one, DGTD stands for, the options are A, Directorate General of Technical Development, B, District General of Technical Development, C, District General of Taxation Deduction, and D, Directorate General of Taxation Deduction. The correct answer is DGTD stands for A, Directorate General of Technical Development. Next, which of the list below does not form intellectual property? A, trademarks, B, patents, C, tangible assets, and D, copyrights. Out of these four, all three belongs to intellectual property. One doesn't belong, and that is C, tangible assets. Next, a business arrangement where one party allows another party to use a business name and sell its products or services is known as A, a cooperative, B, a franchise, C, an owner-manager business, and D, a limited company. The correct answer is B, a franchise. Next one, which one of the following describes unemployment? Unemployment is a buzzword nowadays. So let's understand the correct answer. The options are A, the number of people who voluntarily choose not to work, B, the number of people who are jobless and are actively seeking work, C, the number of people who are not actively seeking work, and D, the number of people actively seeking work who find work. So the correct answer is B, the number of people who are jobless and are actively seeking work. Next one, which of the following statement is false? Electronic commerce, fill in the blank. A. Can allow new ventures to compete on more or less equal terms with large firms. B. Can lead to small businesses having reduced contact with its customers. And C. Is rarely used in small businesses. And D. Is used in many different industries and markets. Here the question is, which of the following statements is false? So the correct answer is C. Electronic commerce or e-commerce is rarely used in small businesses. This is not right answer. This is false statement. Next one. Which of the following is not an aspect of appraisal of term loans by commercial banks? A. Financial feasibility. B. Technical feasibility. C. Economic feasibility. And D. Societal feasibility. During the appraisal of term loans by commercial banks, societal feasibility does not included. So the correct answer is D. Societal feasibility. The next and the last question is the type of diversification in which the company adds up same type of products at the same level of production is. The options are A. Conglomerate diversification, B. Horizontal integration, C. Vertical integration, and D. Concentric integration. The correct answer is B. Horizontal integration. So this was the last question of the series of entrepreneurship development part 2. Part 3 is still remaining. So thank you so much, and don't forget to watch the last part of this entrepreneurship development series, that is part 3.